Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are making a batch of concrete trinket trays and we wanted to show you the process. We started by taking concrete mix an adequate amount of water for mixing into a batter-like consistency. We try to avoid making the batter too thin or too thick. The perfect consistency gives the artwork a considerable amount to dry out completely. The pouring process for us is so satisfying and therapeutic. This is why we always say that we make our concrete artworks mindfully just for you guys. It gives peace to the artist who makes it. Your orders are made with utmost love and care. We are planning to share a sanding process video next. Please let us know if you want to see the tutorial. Trust me, the sanding process is super satisfying. Once all the pouring is done, we let the trinket trays set for a couple of hours. Once they are set, we unmold the artworks very carefully. And you can see how beautiful they look right now, but they are still damp. It would take a day or two for them to dry out completely. I'll let you watch the rest of the video without any interruptions. But please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment on this video.